dancing cute Beetles. This piece uses the lower half of the bow, which is the frog, to the middle, and the upper half of the bow, which is the middle right through to the tip. It also uses the whole bow, from the frog right all the way up to the tip. Observe the bowing. When it says LH, play in the lower half of the bow, and when it says UH, use the upper half of the bow. When it says WB, use the whole bow. You now have the opportunity to play along with the piano accompaniments. Jane McDermott is going to play the accompaniments, and you can play along with your violin or viola.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Well done on completing that song. Now you're up to the next challenge. Keep practicing.